Hi, good day everyone. It's me again, Sir Eugene, and welcome to another lesson of Integrated Exploratory. Okay, so for my previous video, diniscuss ko na yung topic natin na under ng entrepreneurship. Okay, so for week 1, week 2 yun. So ngayon naman, for week 3, ang topic na natin is yung carpentry. So marami tayong mga topics na under ng carpentry. Start muna tayo sa lesson 1 natin, which is yung Lesson 1, Learning Outcome Number 1, Identifying Materials and Tools for a Task. Okay? So, ito yung learning objectives natin. So, at the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to demonstrate an understanding of the underlying principle in the preparation of carpentry tools and construction materials. Then, number 2, the learners independently prepares carpentry tools and construction materials based on the industry standard. Number 3, describe tools and materials used in carpentry. And for number 4 objectives, prepare the tools and materials for a task. So at the end of the lesson, ito yung mga expected na objectives na kailangan natin ma-achieve. Okay? So now, proceed na tayo. So what is carpentry? So when we say carpentry is a skilled trade and a craft in which primary works performed is the cutting, shaping, and installation of building materials during the construction. So take note, si carpentry hindi lang siya nakafocus into building construction, paggawa ng mga bahay, mga structures. Meron din tayong ibang application ni carpentry which is yung woodworking or yung tinatawag nating furniture making. Okay? So, ayun yung carpentry. So, in order for us na masabi tayo as a skillful and knowledgeable carpenter, so ano yung mga needs at pangangailangan natin? So, syempre, skills. Yun yung pinaka-primary needs ng isang carpenter. But, before yung sa mga skills na yun, may isa dapat tayong malaman muna. Which is yung identifying materials and tools for task. So, bakit important na malaman natin yung mga materials na gagamitin, tsaka mga tools. So, ito yun. So, in every field of work, there is a corresponding set of materials, tools, and equipment that is needed to be considered and identified. So, bawat task, so bawat activity, so bawat gawain as a carpenter, meron tayong mga tools and materials na kailangan natin gamitin. Okay? So, these are anything that we use and help us to do specific job or task. Okay? So, dito discuss natin kung ano yung mga materials and tools na gagamitin natin o under siya ng carpentry. Okay? So, start muna tayo sa materials. Okay, so materials in carpentry. So, ano examples natin ng mga materials sa carpentry? So, start tayo sa common natin, which is yung lumber. So, it is any wooden materials sawed or split into boards or timber. So, may isa pang form ng wood natin, which is yung plywood and plyboard. So, ito yung mga lumbers natin. Sample yan. The next is yung nail, o yung pako sa Tagalog. So, it is a metal that has one end pointed and one end flattened for hammering. It comes into different length and usually used to fasten the wood in the carpentry. So, ito yung pako natin sa Tagalog. Okay, so may dalawa tayong types ng pako or yung nail. So, sa first picture natin sa taas, ang tawag natin dito is common nail, which is usually ginagamit siya for pagmako natin sa mga roofings. So, kasi yung common nail, yung pinaka-head ng common nail natin is para siyang umbrella type. So, medyo lapad yung head. Compare dito sa pangalawa nating sample ng nail, which is yung finishing nail. So, finishing nail usually ginagamit siya for woodworking. So, different sizes, different length siya. Okay, same goes with the common nail din. Kaya lang yung way na paggamit sa kanila is iba. Kasi si common nail, pang heavy duty na application siya. Usually talaga for structural at sa mga roofing ginagamit. Compare dito kay finishing nail is para lang siya kay woodworking. So, furniture making lang siya. Magpo-fall lagi. Kasi yung head niya, ito, medyo rounded. So, once sa pinako siya at pinukpok do sa wood natin, automatic babaon lang siya. So, walang may iwang trace ng pako sa ibabaw. So, yun ang finishing nail natin. Common and finishing nail. So, meron din tayo ibang nail, which is para naman sa application ng concrete. So, yung tawag naman natin doon is yung concrete nail. Okay, so proceed na tayo. So, screw. So, meron naman tayong dalawang screw na common nating alam. Pero kung tutusin, marami tayong screws na ginagamit sa carpentry. So, what is screw? So, when you say screw, it is a metal that has a thread and is made of metal. It comes into different types and different lengths. So, gaya sa samples natin. So, yung common natin na na-encounter lagi is yung flathead screw. So, yung para may negative sign. Then, meron din tayong crosshead screw. So, yun yung mga common natin. Pero the rest, marami pa tayo ibang ginagamit na screws sa carpentry. Kung hindi sa carpentry, pati rin sa ibang mga applications. Okay? Next is yung GI wire. So, when we say GI wire, galvanized iron wire is a steel or iron wire coated with zinc, commonly used for fencing. So, ito yung alambre sa Tagalog. So, GI means galvanized iron. So, meron siyang coating na zinc in order na hindi siya kalawangin. Nakalawang pa rin pero it takes time bago siya kalawangin compared to sa mga other na wires na walang galvanized iron or zinc coated. So, another example is yung GI sheet. So, ganun din, galvanized iron coated with siya zinc. So, ito yung tinatawag natin yung yero. Yan. GI sheet. Galvanized iron sheet is a steel sheet coated with zinc to prevent it from rusting. So, usually, lahat na ng mga bubong natin is GI na. GI sheet ang tawag na. So, may iba-ibang lang na klase, iba-ibang type, ibang mga designs based kung ano yung pangangailangan ng customers. Then, next, steel reinforcement. So, it is a steel bar used for strengthening concrete under tension. It is also known as the reinforcing bar or rebars. So, yung steel reinforcement, ito yung kumbaga para skeletal system ng mga foundation natin. So, kung wala yung mga bakal na to, wala tong, kumbaga parang wala tayong buto. Walang buto doon sa structure natin. Kasi walang bakal. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya matibay. Tendency yan pag nagkaroon ng earthquake or nagkaroon na ng onting cracks, may tendency na gumuho yung isang structure. So, importante na merong steel reinforcement, lalo na kung yung structure natin is malaki and naglo-load siya ng maraming weight. So, ang tawag natin dyan ay steel reinforcement. So, ito yung mga additional materials pa natin. Yan. So, pamilyar ko anong tawag dyan. So, yung first picture natin, ang tawag natin dyan is cement. Okay? So, next picture natin, additional ulit din to. So, ang tawag naman natin dito ay gravel. So, yung first picture natin sa cement, tawag natin semento sa Tagalog. Gravel means graba sa Tagalog natin. Then, sand or buhangin. Then, next is yung water. So, bakit na-involve si water dyan? Okay, so ito yung additional materials natin. Cement, sand, gravel, and water. Ngayon, meron pa sila na makikreate na isang materials. Okay? So, kasi pag sinabi natin materials, pag pinagsama-sama sila, kinag-combine, pwede sila ulit magamit at makapag-produce ng another material. So, ito yung example natin. Cement plus sand plus gravel plus water is equals to mixture of concrete. Ayan, ito yung buhos na natin sa tinatawag natin. So, in order na makapag-produce tayo ng concrete, kailangan na merong semento, meron din siyang mixture ng gravel, ng sand, and ng water. So, yung cement, sand, gravel, hindi siya magmi-mix kung wala tayong water. So, kaya siya nasama as additional materials para sa carpentry. Okay, so kung meron tayong question, meron tayong agam-agam sa mga diniscuss ko, okay, so pwede tayong gumamit ng comment section para ilagay yung mga questions natin. Then later, notice ko siya, ko-comment din ako ng sagot. Or either pwede natin utilize yung group messenger natin, or pwedeng mag-direct message kayo na lang sa akin. Okay? So, yun muna yung para sa materials natin. So, mag-set ako ng another ulit na video para ulit sa tools naman natin.